within the time frame.
Kajingwan uslap kalalong kajing pahu ka haki Tyllong kum kadam mau plang kabelong kawai ke ba penbiang ya ka di ya kenong ba Shyiap. Menteri Katanat PHE Markus Marak hinin kasngi ula ong bana kadau ka Jingtih Shyiap bat ti mau kalalong kadau ba Jong ka Jingshah Kthah ki babun ki jaka kajing duna ka hadam mau plang kalabu jing ya Katanat PHE bat kumjo ya ka sarkar jilla na ka benta ban thaw ya kilat kilinti halor kane ka benta ula ong bana kaliang giriu Shampang kilak mi benya lani ban thaw de ki waipat kilinti na ka benta kini ki brio.
Well, these minings are also for their livelihood. So, government is of the view that if we can give them alternative livelihoods, and then so that they won't depend on the sand mining area in the sources of the rivers where we are depending for the drinking water. Experts are looking into it. What kind of a livelihood will be, chopped out for that, and once it is completed, it will come for the consideration. We will take accordingly the decision. There are sand mining, quarrying of stones. These are the reasons why we are getting affected. Our sources are getting affected.